you can earn $1 million by just making a tools and uploading on Apify, because Apify has organized a challenge of the $1 million challenge. So as many as you can build the AI tool, as many chances you can get a chance to win $1 million. Okay, so let's start this video. My name is Obaidur Rahman. I build AI automation for businesses from past 1 year, and if you want any kind of automation for your business, you can click the first link in your description below and book a one-on-one call with me, and I will be there for you. Okay, so let's start this video. So first of all, click the second link in the description. You will get this link, apify.com/challenge. You will came this page, and I will be guiding you how you can build your actors on Apify, an AI tool on Apify, so you can get a chance to win $1 million. Okay, so first of all, we have this huge banner, the Apify $1 million challenge. So first of all, they will learn what is Apify. The Apify is a platform where you get any kind of scraper in a cheap prices that build with that has built from a developer like me and you. Okay, so how you can join this challenge? First, I will tell you what about this challenge. You can just need to build tools like actors, like scrapers on Apify. It is easy, simple. Okay, so actor counts. Okay, so total qualified actors are 776, and it will be end, this challenge would be end on 31st January. So make sure you can join and make actors and live actors before the 31st January. And first we will see the reward section. Okay, the grand prizes. The top 3 participants will be chosen by the jury after the challenge finishes. First place $30,000, second place $20,000, and third place $10,000. Okay, and the big $1 million prize will get up to 2,000 extra for each actor. We will pay $2 for each monthly active user with a minimum payout of $100 at 50 users, and a maximum of $2,000 for 1,000 users per actor. Okay, they are saying they will give $2,000 extra to the actors that they didn't win. Okay, they will not be a first or second or third. They will be a pupil, those who are like didn't selected. Okay, so if you have 50 users, so you get a chance to win $100, and if you have 1,000 users on your actor, you get a chance. You can earn $2,000, not a chance. Okay, and they will be awarded. They will vote like a award each week by industry experts, community vote, or jury to an actor with brilliant code and amazing concepts, or an especially great users experience. So they will select one user per week and give them a $2,000 reward. Okay, so let's start how you can join this, and how you will make actors on Apify and live it. So first you have to click on this join the challenge, and you just need to add your email. If you're watching this till right now, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because more AI automation and agents videos are coming. And do let me know in the comment section, should I change my video making style from English to Urdu or Hindi, or I will just upload 2 videos, like one in Hindi, one in Urdu, just one in Hindi and one in English. Sorry, just let me tell in the comment section. It is open for you. And also make sure to click the third link in the description below and open that actor, that is my actor basically, and go and use it, and also give me a review on that. Okay, just add your email and click on join now. It will submit, and just you need to click on get started. Okay, you will come on the console.apify.com/actors development campaign. Okay, if you are new here, so you just need to sign up, because I have created account before and I'm working on it. You can see the credits here. You just So how you can build your actor? First I will show you my actor that I have built there, which is the website deep crawler. Okay, that helps you to scrape website from the URL. Okay, and we are also making this scraper right now in this video. Okay, it's opening. So yeah, just go on the on my actor, use it, and also give it a review. Go to here and go here and just add your review. How do you like this? How is this like actor is kindly go, and because I need some support from you. Okay, so if I go here in sources and I will go to the input, just you need to put the link of your website. It will crawl anything from the website. Okay, so I will show you how you can make your actor. So just click on develop new and go with the browse all templates. Then you get thousands of pre-built actors. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will go with on page HTML scraper with Chero. This is the new, I think so, that I make before a website crawler. This is on page HTML scraper with the Chero single page without you providing URL with XOS and extract data from page HTML with Chero. Okay, then you can choose whatever you want. Okay, then you can click use this template. Once it's done, okay, just click on build. It will take some time, so just we need to wait. And also if you want to learn AI automation for free, you can join my WhatsApp community. The link in the description below. I will be teaching everyone for free because I want to teach them. So make sure to join as well because it's free, no money, no anything. Okay, so my scraper is being built, and yeah, so if I go to the inputs, you just need to put the website URL and it will scrape the things for you. And I will be click on a start. Okay, so last one it will be saying, so our actor is ready now. We know it will do on page HTML scraping, so we will go on publication, and we need to add something like actor name, actor icon, and description, and a category. We have to define a category, whether it is a tool or what is the agent developer, what niche it become. Okay, what niche it has, it will go with this. Okay, and use custom SEO details for monetization. You just have to set up a monetization like your PayPal or any payment method you want to connect. Okay, then you just need to, okay, I will go with a paper event. Okay, so just we need to put the detail, like you can change. If I go click on continue event, I will just delete this. So you will see what surprising is coming. So it is just too low. I know it is too much too much low, but you can change as per your needs, as per you want, as per you like you think your actor is that. Okay, and you can just click on publish on store. It will take some time because it will go and first it verify, then it will go and publish on Apify, then you will get a URL, and so you can share it with your friends or your colleagues or everything, anyone you want to share. So first I will go on my previous, I have built a scraper. I will go on publication, and in monetization I added 0.005. okay, that means the results that when the Apify runs, it will charge only 0.05. and like I have 5,000 5 rupee $5, sorry, $5, and you will get 1000 data output result, 1000 results. It's mean that like you have a $5 like here in the Apify credits. You can use as much as you want till you can use a credit of $5 or you get 1,000 results. After it, it's mean like you just need to upgrade your Apify account, so I will be paid. Okay, so like this is simple. Just you need to make as many as actors on Apify, so you get a chance to be the one and win a $30,000. And kindly tell me in the comment how you like this video, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you need any automation for your business, you can click the first link in the description below and book a one-on-one free call with me for your agency or for your business. Okay, so hope you like this video, and see you on next video. Bye bye.